Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here. Hi. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Johan and my son Christian. And today we're doing the Frenkie de Jong hairstyle, the footballer. Are you guys up for it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Let's go.
Værsgo. Jeg trækker bare lige stolen ud her. Sådan. Og så lidt. So today we are inspired by Frenkie, and what he has is like a classic hairstyle. You have some of it like similar already, but I think what we need is like fine lines, clean lines, and chop it off a little bit, but with the scissor, so we're not using any machines. And maybe a little bit short in the neck here because we have some hair who's grown different ways, so it's easier for you to handle.
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready?
Yes.
Perfect.
It's really good.
Yeah. Before styling, I'll just make it wet again. And this is the pre-styler. Dynamite clay, medium hold, and a little bit of shine. Prøv lige lov at se det bagpå også. And then you don't have like that in the neck. I just like faded it. Yay! Perfect.
All right. Johan, how do you like your new hairstyle?
It looks fantastic. I'm so happy.
Awesome. I think you did an amazing job, Renee.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.
Nice.